Good morning, friends. Yesterday in the class, we have seen about the cloud security fundamentals. We have learned about, we have just revised about what was the cloud and what is the basic definition of the cloud security. We have seen three definitions in the cloud security and discussed the importance and the requirement of the cloud security. Today, we will further. Also, we have seen the importance of the cloud security yesterday. Now, today we will see what are the different challenges when we are moving towards the cloud security. Since to perform any task, to achieve any goal, some challenges come. For example, in today scenario, when corona is affecting the whole world, you can see that number of death is increasing daily. Means that is the biggest challenge to all countries, to all leaders to stop this. So challenges has been taken and some advices are given to the public. Some advices are given by the management, means administrator, and they are trying to follow, and we all are trying to follow these advices and maintaining corona does not affect us, nor our family, nor our society, nor our state, nor our country. And looking to the, when we are comparing the data with other country, we see that we are having the dense population and still we are in a good position. So let us fight with the corona. In the same way, when we are talking about the security on the cloud, there are some challenges. So let us discuss what are the different challenges when we are moving towards or looking towards the cloud security. Now, since data in the public cloud is being stored by the third party and accessed over the internet, means then there is a public cloud. For example, let us see example is a Google account. Google account is a public cloud and data is stored by us. We are the third party. और हम जहाँ चाहें वहाँ से उसको यूज़ करते हैं. बेसिकली तो हम आज की डेट में हमारे पास स्मार्टफोन है तो वी आर एक्सेसिंग द डेटा बाय द स्मार्टफोन. लेकिन पहले क्या होता था, साइबर कैफे होते थे तो हम भोपाल में है तो भोपाल के साइबर कैफे से यूज़ कर लिया, अगर हम जबलपुर में हैं तो जबलपुर के साइबर कैफे में यूज़ कर लिया. तो जब इस टाइप के एक्सेसमेंट हम कहीं से भी कर रहे हैं, then there are several challenges arise to maintain secure cloud. And the first is the visibility into cloud data. So in many cases, cloud services are accessed outside of the corporate network and from device not managed by IT. This means that IT team needs the ability to see into the cloud service itself to have the full visibility over data, as opposed to traditional means of monitoring traffic, network traffic. अगर हम आज देखें, अगर हम वर्क एट होम कर रहे हैं, वी आर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, तो पहले जब मैं कॉलेज में काम कर रहा था या कॉलेज से काम करता हूँ या किसी ऑफिस से काम करता हूँ, तो हमारा आईपी एड्रेस, हमारा जो नेटवर्क है वो हमारे कॉर्पोरेट का होता था एंड दैट इज इजीली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय द नेटवर्क. और वो फायरवॉल के थ्रू या नेटवर्क के थ्रू हमारे उनके कंट्रोल में होता था. नाउ वी आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सेस server of the company, we are trying to access the system of the company from the house, from the home, and we are using different types of modes. Some are using laptops, some are using desktops, some are using mobile applications. Means different मोबाइल डिवाइस के साथ साथ हम डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस भी यूज कर रहे होते हैं. मीन्स IP addresses changes. We are using different type of network. Some are using Airtel, some are using Jio, and some are other things. मीन्स अगर हम देखें तो नेटवर्क ट्रैफिक इज हैविंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स. जब हम डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नेटवर्क ट्रैफिक आ रहा है तब हमें क्या करना है. IT टीम शुड बी रेडी टू हैव एक्सेस, हैव चेक कि जो आदमी अंदर आ रहा है, जो नेटवर्क अंदर आ रहा है, जो नेटवर्क एक्सेस करने आ रहा है, ही और शी शुड बी परमिटेड और नॉट. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज. क्योंकि सपोज आपका मोबाइल है और आपका मोबाइल आप कहीं रख के चले जाते हैं और सपोज एनी पर्सन जिससे आपकी नहीं बनती है वो आए और आपका जनरली लॉगिन होता है. आप आज की डेट में क्या होता है कि हम बार बार पासवर्ड भूल जाते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं, लॉगिन करके रख लेते हैं. जब हम लॉगिन करके रख लेते हैं तो पासवर्ड उसमें डला होता है और पता चला कोई ऐसा आदमी आ जाए जिसको जो आपसे थोड़ा नहीं बनती है, वो आए और कुछ अनयूजुअल थिंग करके चला जाए उस नेटवर्क पे, तो फिर क्या होगा, सम इश्यूज कैन बी अकर्ड. Second is the control over the cloud data. In a third party cloud service provider environment, IT team have less access to the data than when they control servers and applications on their own premises. Means you can see that in the third, let us complete it first. The cloud customers are given limited control by default and access to underlying physical infrastructure is unavailable. जब थर्ड पार्टी क्लाउड सर्विस होती है तो IT टीम जो है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर टीम जो नेटवर्क को कंट्रोल कर रही होती है, डेटाबेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर जो बैठे होते हैं, जो नेटवर्क एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बैठे होते हैं, they have less access to data. So जब लेस एक्सेस होता है तो some issues can be occurred. Next is the access to cloud data and application. Users may access cloud application and data over the internet, making access control based on traditional data center network parameter no longer effective. User access can be from any location or device, including bring your own device technology. In addition, privileged access by the cloud computer personnel could bypass your own security controls. मीन्स जब हम कोई भी डिवाइस से यूज कर रहे हैं तब हमारी जो पर्सनल सिक्योरिटीज है और जो सिक्योरिटी कंट्रोल्स हैं दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी बाईपास्ड. ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज रहेगा उसमें कि कैसे अपन उस डेटा को सेव करें, कैसे हम उस डेटा को बाईपास होने से रोकें. नेक्स्ट इज द compliance. The use of cloud computing service adds another dimension to regulatory and internal compliance. Your cloud environment may need to adhere to regulatory requirements such as HIPAA, PCI, and Sarbanes-Oxley, as well as the requirement from the internal teams, partners, and customers. The cloud provider infrastructure, as well as interfaces between in-house system and the clouds, are also included in compliance and risk management process. Risk management process you might have studied in the software engineering. You can also visit if you want to other study about different risk management in my lecture that is given on the YouTube about risk management. So here we can say that there are some regulatory bodies such as HIPAA, PCI, and Sarbanes-Oxley. They are giving some regulations, they are giving some the rules how the security, how the compliance report, how the cloud environment should be maintained. जब इन रेगुलेटरी कमीशंस या रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज जो बनी हुई हैं, इनकी बात अगर अपन करें, दे आर गिविंग सम डिफरेंट डायमेंशंस। तो यहाँ पर हम उनके बीच में और इन हाउस सिस्टम के बीच में सम इंटरफेसेस और उसकी रिस्क मैनेज करने में थोड़ी सी हमें इश्यूज आते हैं कि हम कैसे उनको सॉल्व करें। दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम और बिगेस्ट चैलेंज टू अस टू follow the rules and the regulations given by these agencies, and इन हाउस में हमें जैसे कैसे इसको मैनेज करना है to provide security and access to the all users. Next challenge, that is a cloud native breaches. Means data breaches in the cloud are unlike on premises. Breaches in that data theft often occur using native function of the cloud. A cloud native breach is a series of action by an adversarial actor in which they land their attack by exploiting errors or vulnerabilities in a cloud deployment without using malware, expand their access through weakly configured or protected interface to locate valuable data, and exfiltrate that data to their own storage location. Means suppose you are sending some data to one server or to some user, and their data has been breached in between, and that is possible. अब हम इस कंडीशन में वी आर अनेबल टू प्रोटेक्ट द डेटा, वी आर अनेबल टू check who is breaching or who is attacking on our data. This is again a biggest challenge for us. That is, next is the misconfiguration. The cloud native breaches often fall to the cloud customer responsibility for security, which includes the configuration of a cloud service. Research shows that just 26% of the companies can currently audit their infrastructure as a service environment for configuration error. Misconfiguration of infrastructure often act as the front door to the cloud native breach, allowing the attacker to successfully land and then move on the expand and exfiltrate data. Research also shows that 99% of misconfiguration go unnoticed by infrastructure as a service by the cloud customer. Here, an excerpt from this study showing this level of misconfiguration disconnect. Misconfiguration means that you all are, let us see an example that you all are having Android device, and you see that there are some access facility by default. For example, suppose you are installing any app, you see that it app automatically enable or your contacts. Means that app is easily having the access on your contacts. It is having access on your gallery. Means a person who has a full control on the app can breach your gallery, can collect the data or the contacts from your mobile, and it may get some unusual loss. Your data, your contact numbers can be stolen and that can be sold because your contacts are very costly today. These contacts are used by marketing agencies to call them, to tell them. Or you can see that suppose an OTP comes on your mobile and this type of programs that are not highly secured can extract your OTP, and before you fill the OTP and the person can access the OTP and use it, then it's maybe a biggest loss. Means this configuration of a mobile or the configuration of infrastructure as a service when we are doing or when we are using the cloud service is the biggest issue, because to configure your device or to configure your infrastructure when you are using the cloud service needs some skill, needs some knowledge. Otherwise, this misconfiguration can lead to the breach on the data, breach on your available resources. This is also the biggest challenge. Then is the disaster recovery. Cybersecurity planning is needed to protect the effects of significant negative breaches. A disaster recovery plan includes policies, procedures, and tools designed to enable the recovery of data and allow an organization to continue operation and business. Means, suppose any disaster occur, then we should have a plan, we should have some policies, we should have some procedure, we should have some tools to recover the data or to allow the organization to continue operation in the business. These should be means plan B or secondary plan, or should be available with us. And the biggest challenge is that generally all companies are having is that is the insider threats. तुमने कहावत सुनी है या रामायण आपने देखी है? रामायण में श्री राम को मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम कहा गया है क्योंकि वो भगवान होते हुए उनने कभी अपनी भगवान वाली शक्ति का उपयोग नहीं किया। अगर विभीषण ना होता तो रावण को हराने में पसीना आ जाता, क्योंकि वो विभीषण ही था जिसने राम को यह बताया था, प्रभु श्री राम को यह बताया था कि उसके नाभि में अमृत है, उसकी नाभि पे अटैक करेंगे तभी मर सकता है। अन्यथा राम को कैसे पता होता कि रावण कैसे मरता? तो उन्हें खुद अपना अवतार लेना पड़ता, प्रभु का अवतार लेना पड़ता, या स्वयं फिर किसी शिव शंकर भगवान को या इंद्र को या किसी को आके बताना पड़ता कि रावण कैसे मरते। लेकिन वो सब चीज़ें रामायण में नहीं हुई, क्योंकि इसलिए उनको मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम कहा गया है। उन्होंने कभी ऊपरी शक्ति का, ईश्वरी शक्ति का, देवी शक्ति का उपयोग नहीं किया है। और हमारी कंपनीज में, हमारी समाज में, हमारे घर में कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई एक विभीषण जरूर होता है, क्या जो विभीषण का काम कर देता है कई बार। मीन्स अ rogue employee is capable of using cloud services to expose an organization to a cyber security breach. वो विभीषण क्या करेगा? आपके डेटा को एक्सप्लॉइट कराने में, डेटा को ब्रीच कराने में, सर्वर को डिजास्टर, कहीं कोई इश्यू बनाने में कर देता है। मैकफी क्लाउड अडॉप्शन एंड रिस्क एक रिपोर्ट ने सर्वे किया है। उन्होंने बताया है कि 85% of the organization is having insider threats. Otherwise, the security of the cloud is good. So these are different challenges that comes when we are moving towards cloud. So for today, this is sufficient. Tomorrow we will learn more about cloud security. Thank you. Have a nice day.